Good morning, everybody. So, check it out. We did something. Obviously, you've known, if you watch some of my other videos, we purchased a new ride. And part of this is so that we can haul the Suburban and other things. So, if you haven't noticed already, obviously, we bought this too. A nice big old trailer. So today, we're gonna put that on there. And we're gonna put the Suburban on there. And then we're gonna go on a little trip. So stay tuned. But first, let's do a little cold start on the 2014 F-350. All right, here we go. Yeah. Let that thing warm up a bit. Let some of this frost melt off of here. The trailer, it's chilly. It's chilly out here this morning. But stay tuned, because we're going on an adventure. You're gonna want to follow along over the next couple videos. We're gonna just make a few videos. We're not gonna make one specific video of the whole trip. We're gonna make multiple videos, because we're heading down to Moab. So you're not gonna see this video until we are back, because I don't have a laptop to take with me to edit the videos, to edit while we're there. Maybe one day I'll get one. In fact, I think Jake was gonna get me one. So if that works, we're gonna start taking our laptops on these trips so I can edit a video, and then we can put it up on the internet while we're there, maybe. Or that way I don't come home and I'm not stuck with 20 videos to make. So anyways, stay tuned. We're gonna load some stuff up and be on our way. All right, folks, check this out. So we're testing a few things out real quick on the trailer. I've got our Jeep, which we're not taking this time around, but we're gonna see if this thing fits. Well, it'll fit, but the only thing is the Suburban is too wide for the fenders. So we're gonna have to drive up and over the fenders with the Suburban. We're gonna see if the Jeep will fit. I think the Jeep will fit. Sweet. So the Jeep will fit in between the fenders. It's tight. But she fits. And honestly, that's all we care about. We just want it to fit. But it'll fit. Now, the question is I highly doubt it, but the kids still think that we might be able to fit 3 Jeeps on here, but it's not gonna happen. Slippery, folks. Slippery, you gotta be careful. So we're gonna pull Jake's Jeep forward just a little bit, because I gotta get my front tires over these fenders here. Hopefully they don't break. That should be good. right, folks, we are off. We got the toys. We're gonna go play.
Jake,
what?
If you go straight, like if you keep your tire where it is. Your rear diff's hitting the rock. Jake, is it hitting? Yeah.
Back
the wedgie. You felt it? Be careful so he doesn't throw rocks at you, okay?
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays.